This 5-minute solution will show you how to share a Facebook post to your Facebook page. So if you're scrolling down on your news feed and you want to share a post to your Facebook page, let's see how you can do it. For example, I want to share this post to my Facebook page. So I'm going to tapping on share, and here you will get page. Tap on that, and now to change your Facebook page, tap to change at the top and select the Facebook page where you want to share this post. Now you can write something here, tap on post, and that's it. This is how we can share a Facebook post to our Facebook page, If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.